Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. You are tuning into Ethical Explorers, the channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and open source intelligence. Today, we are looking at an incredible automated OSINT tool called Slash. If you have ever needed to gather information on a specific target during a penetration test or a security assessment, you know how tedious it can be to manually search through dozens of websites, social media platforms, and forums just to find a digital footprint. Slash completely changes that game. It is a powerful, automated, open-source intelligence tool specifically designed to help you investigate people based purely on their username. Imagine having a single handle and being able to instantly scan the internet to see where else that exact username is registered. This can reveal linked accounts, alternate profiles, and a wealth of background information that is crucial for building a comprehensive profile on a target. Slash automates this entire process, saving you countless hours of manual enumeration. It reaches out to numerous platforms simultaneously and quickly compiles a list of positive hits. Whether you are an ethical hacker, a security researcher, or a private investigator, having a tool like this in your arsenal is absolutely essential for modern digital forensics. In this video, we are going to break down exactly how to get this tool up and running on your own system. We'll walk through the entire setup process, from grabbing the code from its repository to installing all the necessary dependencies. Then we'll take it for a spin and see it in action in a live demonstration. Let us go ahead and jump right into the installation process. First, you'll need to open up your terminal. Make sure you have Git and Python installed on your machine before we begin. To start, we're going to clone the repository directly from GitHub. Type the following command into your terminal: git clone https github.com/theahmedcow. Once the repository is cloned to your local machine, we need to navigate into the newly created directory. Simply type cd/ and hit enter. Now that we're inside the project folder, we have to install the required Python packages that make this tool function. We can do this easily by typing pip install-r requirements.txt. This command will read the text file and automatically download and install all the necessary dependencies to your environment. Once that finishes, let us verify the installation by typing python/.py help. This will display the help menu and confirm everything is working as intended. Now that we have the help menu open, let us take a moment to understand what we're looking at. The help output shows us the various arguments and flags we can pass to the tool to customize our search. You'll see options for specifying the target username, adjusting the timeout settings for slower connections, and even choosing how you want the output to be formatted or saved. It's a very straightforward command line interface, designed to be intuitive even if you are relatively new to using terminal-based networking tools. The core syntax simply revolves around calling the Python script and then appending the username you wish to investigate. You can also specify multiple flags if you're running a more complex investigation. The tool works by sending HTTP requests to a massive predefined list of websites, checking the HTTP status codes to determine if a profile exists at that specific URL. It's elegant, incredibly fast, and highly effective for those crucial initial reconnaissance phases of an engagement. All right, it's time for the fun part. Let us actually test the tool out and see exactly what kind of results it can pull up for us. For this demonstration, I'm going to use our own channel name as the target username. So in the terminal, I'll type python/.py EthicalExplorers and hit enter. Immediately, you can see the tool springing into action. It's rapidly firing off requests across the internet. Look at the terminal output. It's neatly organized to make things very easy to read. The positive hits, where it successfully found an account registered under the username EthicalExplorers, are popping up right on the screen. It's checking major social media networks, developer forums, gaming platforms, and even more obscure websites. As the results roll in, you can see exactly where this specific username has established a presence. This is the exact kind of actionable intelligence you need when profiling a target. Just look at how fast it compiled this comprehensive list compared to doing it by hand. It's incredibly efficient and gives you a fantastic starting point for further investigation. That wraps up our look at the Slash automated OSINT tool. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Ethical Explorers for more cybersecurity tutorials and open source tool reviews. Stay curious, stay ethical, and I'll see you in the next video.